Hello guys, Farhad here, and in this video we will see how we can create a checkbox in GoHighLevel order form. With the GoHighLevel built-in feature, these types of checkbox is not available in the checkout order form. So we need to create a order form, and let's see how we can make it. At first, I am duplicating this section. I'm taking it to the left. Okay, this is the duplicate of initial version. So to create a checkout form like this, we need to set a add a next section like a code and code editor. You need to copy and paste this code into this editor. I am I will share this code in my video description. So after the code is not ready, but we need to locate the uh, with the action with the form. So I'm going to take the order ID and then going to replace the ID with, let's remove the hashtag. In this section I agree to the link. In this section you can paste your privacy policy page URL, and let's save it and see how it works. Okay, we have created already this box on the left side that we have worked, and this is the old version. There is no checkbox like this. Say the difference.